Have you ever wondered how much EMF or electronic magnetic radiation is emitting from your modem and Wi-Fi router? Let's test with this radiation detector RD9000. The moment it exceeds 1999 microwatt per centimeter square, you see the value 1. Crazy, right? So this is the 𝒂𝒃𝒐𝒖𝒕 by 𝒂𝒑, an environment harmonizer. It cancels out the radiation from these electronic devices. So let's power on and see what happens. Immediately, it cancels out the radiation. So who uses a modem and Wi-Fi router in their house or even offices? That is your potential market.